What's up, Jessica and I Squad? Today we are opening these little thingies.
What are they called? Do you know?
Nope. Can you read? Peel too. Reveal. Yeah.
You get a surprise playset and stickers. 3 squishies are inside. Alright, so let's get started, guys.
So this one's already peeling open.
Oh, hello. Want to open at the same time?
Oh wait, don't put your mouth on it. Where's the toy?
Flip it over. I think the toy is there. Flip it over.
Sorry, they're inside the plastic.
Turn it over.
It's like a little layer thing. Oh, it's right here on the package. So I use the poke right there. It's hard. Oh yeah, it's like hard plastic. No. I think we should start with number 1. No, I got it. Start with number 1. Okay. And do number 2 and then number 3.
How about a bird next to us?
How do I... Okay, sorry, just give me the button right.
I think your sister's eating an orange close by. What do you got there?
Ooh, squishy cake. Cake. And yeah, they're not really like little plushies. They're like little foods. Oh, look. It's not a squishy. It's just a regular little koala. Wait, you're so lucky. Oh, never mind. Oh, it's so cute. What'd you get, Soraya? This cute little kitty cat. Okay. I got this little, whatever this means. So I got this little cookie thing.
What does it say?
Shove the food inside.
Maybe it's like a food.
Ta-da! Maybe it's... Oh wait, it's a cake. I think.
Here's your setting.
And I got a cupcake.
I have this.
There's also a suction cup.
Oh.
It needs stickers. Look on the side, Mom. Look on the side.
Okay. There's stickers. And look, you're supposed to put that cardboard here so that you can put things in there.
Okay, open up the next box. Sorry. Open up. I already made a risk for you. You open like the little holes for me. Mom, here, I got a pizza set. Here. I bet it's gonna be like something that likes pizza.
Yeah, something. So I got a pizza set. So each room is different so far.
I got a pizza set. I got this other little cat or something. Oh, the cat's so cute.
And a little piece of cake.
I got this little campfire. Here, Mom, could you open this for me? I can't open anything. Everything is too hard. Oh wait, I made a rip right there. I got a hot dog, and it's just so hard. Look, I got a chica. Just joking. I got a sea otter. Little sea otter. And put it here. Open up the next item, and number 2 is this little clam. Oh look, I give you a little bouncy ball. It actually bounces.
Wow.
I think this has a seal. Yeah, so this will go in the foods and then this one will go here.
So I got 5 items. 5 squishy toys.
Yep.
And 5 squishy foods. It's even. So now let's set up the rooms. So like these are all the stickers, the campfire stickers. This is the birthday party room. Here comes the bakery. And here comes the fast food place. And the beach. Look at all those stickers. You got a lot of stuff.
I love these little things. They're so cute. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.